A few moments later.
3, 2, 1. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be playing with, well, I guess what my brother would call fun, the
Hot Wheels versus Toxic Creatures.
Sounds so happy. I guess let's open this.
Hot Wheels.
Let's open it. No. So it comes with a piece. It comes with another piece, 2 pieces, another piece, and it comes with another piece.
And it comes,
There's so many pieces.
it comes with,
I opened it. It comes with another piece. Okay, let me. Oh, that was glued on. I didn't even go back. Look at the gorilla!
cat says meow.
Ooh, it looks like an area where you can kind of store cars. Wait, what is this for? Check on the box. What is this?
It shakes it. It shakes the car to make it fall out. Because you see, so look. See this car? You see this car? He's shaking it. Look. Like he's shaking it, and then it fell out. This car fell out. Come on. Let's throw this in the garbage.
Just put it. Okay, let's build this. So I'm excited because I am personally, I will say this, I am the builder in the house. I'm usually the person to build things like in my family, I remember I built a couple things for my little cousin, and I built something for my Gma. I built a couple of things and I'm excited. And I built this right here for my brother. And this I built for my brother, and I almost cried because I almost couldn't make it. Step 1. Get this and our toxic gorilla, and wait till it clicks. You heard it click? No, of course you didn't hear it click. Because it didn't click. Okay, now let's get our U piece.
You found it! Good job! Get off me.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
You can help me with the next step. Actually, we're still on step 1.
Where's
So
step
get
1?
this right here and put it right there.
Right here.
Here.
I have. Where's
Frustration.
in my body?
Okay.
Where's the car? Where is the car?
I don't know. I'm trying to do this. Find the car by yourself. Did it! Yay! Okay. Let's see. Can we move it? Launch. Okay. Wait. Next step. Okay, we have to put this piece in, which is supposed to go.
heard a click sound, make a thumbs up. Why are you playing with it and we're not even done?
Okay. I think we're doing good because I'm getting through this pretty fast. I think.
Is that cool, guys?
Alone.
No, you're not. You have my. She's trying to break me.
Like, find the D. Whoever finds the D1, please gets $100. Go. I can't find the D1 piece. I'm mad. Look in the box.
Empty. Is it this
I
one?
need this.
Probably is one of
Oh, wait,
these.
is it this? I found it. I think I found it.
Yeah!
Find the D1 piece. I will find you. And when I do find you, I will hit you.
Is it this one?
I'm gonna cry.
Let me see it again.
Isn't it right here? Oh yeah.
That's kind of funny.
Yes! I'm doing it! Guys, isn't it just an achievement when you achieve something?
What?
What is achievement?
That's your mother.
That's rude.
Okay, do you see another black piece, Blake?
That's so rude.
Because it's dying because of how much you play with it. And he says, please leave me alone. Tell him to leave me alone. He's hurting me. He's hurting me. That's what it's saying. Can I see the car, please, real quickly? To see if it works. It works.
Wait. Can I, like,
Brothers, just don't listen to you. You want a break from them, but you know, you can't get a break from them. Because they're always behind you. No matter what, they'll be there, watching you for the rest of your life. And no, you won't be able to breathe, because they'll be there every second of your life. Every second!
guys, we have a couple more pieces. Then I'm finished.
Stop! Okay, so we're almost finished with this.
Like, go right here.
Alright, wait, we should have one more piece.
That's our last piece.
No, there's a piece that looks like it's eaten. Whoever finds it gets $100.
Woohoo!
It's not fair that you get to play with all the cars. I want to play with the cars. Do you have like any more cars?
No.
Like, look. Apparently in 2 minutes, it's gonna rain cars.
We should get our
Get umbrellas! Get umbrellas!
3, 2, 1.
I think I know what time it is.
What?
Playtime!
Yeah.
Blake, I have a question. What's your favorite track?
That and that.
One. B.
That one.
I think my favorite is this one. I don't know. I feel like
Well, that was an epic fail.
This is awesome. Can't believe we actually have enough cars. Actually, if you read the box, it says that up to 100 cars can fit on here. So, wonder how many, I bet we have probably about 100.
In these count right here.
Going up.
Hey.
Woohoo! Let's race. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Who's gonna get eaten? Ow! That was a close one. And also right here we have a gas fillet. They can get gas fries, gas and cream milkshake with no gas whipped cream or no gas cherries, which is so good.
Can I please have a gas number 1, please? I'm so hungry. Okay,
I'm gonna go over to the gorilla track. Time to party! I wanna try this one.
Hey,
Time
how's it
to
going?
party! Woo! Boy. Mine!
I can help you.
Help!
I'm helping you. No, I'm helping you. Stop.
Help!
I gotcha. Ultimate hit.
Gas is $2.99. That's too expensive. I might as well go somewhere else.
Oh, look. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.